Hi guys, so our maths today, it is similar to what we were doing the end of last week. So our decimals using tenths and hundredths, being able to identify different digit values. Okay, so let's have a look here. It says circle the decimal number that has 4 units. Okay, so we know that we have thousands, hundreds, tens, units, and then tenths and hundredths. Okay, so let's write down the numbers that we were given. 345.4. So 345.4. Okay, no thousands, no hundreds. We have 400 and 414.74, and so I'll move it up here so we can see a little bit better. It's not very high tech, guys, but it gets the job done. Okay, and the last one there was 4,000, so we're under the thousands places here. 4,410.44. They're the three numbers we're given here, and it says circle the number that has 4 units. So here's our units. Which one has 4 units? 414. Okay, so obviously you're not colouring the book, so just write out the correct number. So this one is the number that has 4 units, because there's 4 in the units place. Okay, let's have a look at another one. Okay, so for example, 6. Now be careful, look at the difference here, guys. We've got 6 hundreds and 6 hundredths. Okay, so we've got thousands, hundreds, tens, units, tenths, and hundredths. Okay, so there's the difference. The hundredths are these guys. Okay, so circle the decimal number that has 6 hundredths. Okay, so we've got the first one there was 626.65. We've got 4,628.56 and 56.68. Okay, so circle the decimal number that has 6 hundredths. Which one of those has 6 hundredths? This one here, look, 6 hundredths. So that's the number with 6 hundredths. Okay, so with the rest of them, guys, for example, F, 8 tens and 2 tenths. Any of them have 8 tens? Oh, well actually both of these have 8 tens. 86 and 386, so 8 tens and 2 tenths. This has 8 tens and 3 tenths. This has 8 tens and 2 tenths. So that's the one there. Okay, so I'm not going to give you the answer for every single one, but that should give you a good idea what to do. And the last one here, guys, this is just you make up a number of your own. Okay, just to make up a number of your own. So first one's done for you. So write down a decimal number. So a decimal number, so a number that has digits after the decimal point. So write down a decimal number that has 6 units. So that person just decided to do 646.13. Okay? Because look, hundreds, tens, units, tenths, hundreds. It has 6 units. And I just completely made up the rest of it. Okay? You could do 76.22 if you want. That would actually be correct too, because it's got 6 units. You could do 106.64, anything at all. Okay, you could even just do 6.2. 6 units is what it was asking for. Okay, so if you were to, let's just look at a random one here. 0 tenths. So write down a decimal number that has 0 tenths. How about 250? No, 2 tenths. Sorry, silly Mr. Wire. 250 5.2. Because look, hundreds, tens, units, tenths, hundredths, 0 tenths, and look, 0 tenths. I will do I with you here, the last one. So this one wants you to do a decimal number that has 4 tenths and 8 hundredths. So a clever way to do this, guys, if you want to do, okay, would be so thousands, hundreds, tens, units, tenths, and hundredths, and you can just put them in first. So this number, I want to write in a number that has 4 tenths, look, 4 tenths, and 8 hundredths. 8 hundredths. Okay, and sure, I can just fill in the rest with random numbers if I want, okay? Let's say 7,140 there you go. Right? I picked random numbers there. I just filled in the numbers that I needed. I put in this one here, I put in 4 tenths and 8 hundredths, and I just filled in the rest. Okay? 2 thousandths, again, thousands, hundreds, tens, units, tenths, hundredths, 2 thousandths, there you go, boom, and I can just fill in any old number. Alright, so you just got to make sure that the number you give me has this in it. Okay, so I hope that helps, guys. It's just getting us well used to being able to identify the value of the digits in our decimal numbers. Okay, so send me a message or put a comment under this if you're still stuck on it, and I'll try to help you out there, but I think that should be enough to help you there. Alright, so again, guys, look, which one has 600s, 800, 1600, that one there. Okay, so I hope I haven't given you too much of the answers either, but best of luck with that, and send on your answers to me. Okay, talk to you soon.